Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to go over our trades for today, Tuesday, April 8th. Hope you all enjoyed the basketball game last night, the championship NCAA basketball game. UConn came out the victor. It was a pretty good game, although I'm not really into basketball all that much, but still entertaining. Looking forward to the Masters this week. Starts Thursday. Favorite golf tournament of the year. Great tournament. Check it out. It's worth it just for the views of the flowers and the golf course alone. Anyway, we're going to go over our trades. No scalp trades as there was too much economic activity coming out of Europe, Great Britain, the ECB, and whatnot, IMF as well. But we did have a few swing trades from late yesterday, last night, into early this morning. We did have 3 of them. Pulled out 131 pips on those swing trades. If you adjust that for the size that we trade, it would be 52.4. So again, 131 pips was the full amount of pips that we made, but adjusted for our size that we trade, because we trade smaller swing than we do scalping, we pulled out 52.4 pips. We'll go over them really in no particular order. This one, pound to dollar, we were long. We actually gave this live last night on Instagram, Facebook, I believe on Facebook, Google Plus. I know for sure on Instagram we gave it live, a signal for people that follow us that have been thinking about coming on board. We were long this 1.66073. Even when we gave it live, we did it in a video format. We said we were looking for right around 50 pips. Sure enough, that's what we made early this morning. Picked up 53 pips, and you could see what it did after there. We already had our order in, so it was taken out. Not that we would have changed it. We hit our goal, and here the thing ran 150 pips. But we'll take it. You're not going to complain about that. This other trade we had, this other swing trade, was in the Australian dollar to Japanese yen. We were short this. 95.903. Hit our goal. Again, our goal was 95.392. We picked up 51.1 pips. I don't think we left all that much on the table. That candle you see down where we covered, it did blast down from where, but we had our order in there already, like I said. That went down another 6 pips, and then this is 30-minute chart. So you're talking what? Almost 10 hours later, it was still pretty much where we covered. It did break down a little bit, but not all that much. So, happy with that trade. So adjusted for size with that, just so you know, adjusted for size with that, we picked up 20.4 pips. Go back to that first trade, the pound to US dollar, even though it was 53.1, adjusted for our size, we picked up 21.2 pips. And then the last trade was US dollar to Japanese yen. We were short this. We were looking for more, although when we got up this morning and came into the office, we were out of the other two. So we just decided to get out of this and just lock in the profits. We were up 26.8 pips. Adjusted for size, we were up 10.7 pips. And as you can see, it did sell off more than that. Our target was actually very close to this 102 level, if I can remember correctly from the signal. It might have been 102.06 or 102.04, right in that vicinity. So, and it did. It came right down to it a few hours later. But we didn't want to take the chance. Well, why take it when you're up 100 pips on those other two, a little over 100 pips on the other two. So I might as well just lock this one in and grab it and move on. So that's exactly what we did. So like I said, overall 131 pips. Adjusted for size, 52.4 pips. Really solid. Not a whole lot of risk taken there. So, because when we trade these swing trades, we don't use as much leverage, so we're not taking nearly the risk that we take. Not that we take a lot of risk on the scalping, because you're not risking a lot. Just different type of formats, different way to trade. I like to say the swing trades, you're not taking a lot of risk because you're not using the leverage. That's, if that makes some sense to you. Anyway, we're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. We're waiting. We haven't had any swing signals this morning so far. We'll see if any come out. If they do, we'll be sending them out to everyone that subscribes and anyone trading with us. If you're still trading now, good luck, and we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action one way or the other, either in a swing or a scalp. Have a great evening.